Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain how to fix valve lifter noise without taking the engine apart. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW guys with an N20 engine. If you have a BMW with N20 engine, you have valve lifter noise, you want to see how to fix this, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. That N20 engine has been used in multiple BMW models, anything from 1 series, 2 series, 3 series, 4 series, 5 series BMW, and then you go all the way to X1, X3, X4 and even X5 plug-in hybrids. I think they use it as well. So stay with us, we'll explain how to fix valve lifter noise now. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. And if you need to buy any parts tools for your BMW, any car, practically any model, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. We are constantly adding new cars, so we are constantly working on problems that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's explain how to fix that now. So what we have here specifically guys, this is a 2013 BMW. It's a 528i. I think the 520 it's in Europe that uses that N20 again. Here 320, 328, 420, 428, X-Drive 28, X-Drive 20 guys, or S-Drive, they use it as well. Multiple guys, multiple cars use that N20 engine. If you have valve lifter noise, okay, and you want to see how to fix it, let's explain what we usually do here at the shop. Sooner or later, engines will develop valve lifter noise. What we recommend to do: number one guys, do an engine flush with leaky moly guys. This additive is amazing. Right before an oil change, do an engine flush. When you do an engine flush, it's going to clean the inside of your engine. It will clean all the contaminants that are inside, all the bad sludge and all that stuff. I wasn't a believer until we used it ourselves. We used it on a Porsche Cayenne with almost 200,000 miles, and when we opened the engine, it looked like new. So check out, there is even a video guys, does leaky moly engine flush work? We demonstrate on Porsche Cayenne, you will be surprised. So do an engine flush, change your engine oil, change your oil filter. Once you do all that, make sure you use an oil that's specifically designed for your car. It meets the specifications. Ours is, we're using here for that Climate 5W40, and it meets the BMW Long Life 01 specifications as well. Next, when you do your oil change, add guys Ceratec. Okay, Ceratec is simply amazing. That thing, what it does, it reduces wear up to 34% and it reduces friction, okay, up to 75%. What that tells us guys, it tells us that your engine will last longer. Why? Because it will not have so much friction, which will not have so much wear. Friction creates heat as well. So N20s are known for failing, okay, failing connecting rod bearings, I think on cylinder number 2 mostly, but that thing can extend, okay, your expectancy on your engine as well. It will make your turbo last longer, and it will fix your valve lifter noise. So shake it really good, we give it a good shake, we're going to put it in. What you're supposed to add it every 30,000 miles or 50,000 kilometers. It extends service life, less friction, equal reduced fuel consumption, so it will practically pay itself off guys, okay, in the long run. So let's go ahead and add it now. So give it a good shake guys, energetic good shaking, okay, make sure to shake it good because all that ceramic particles may be on the bottom, so shake it good. We're going to open it. It has that nasty color, you will see, orangey color, but that's magic for your engine guys. So we're going to go ahead, open the cap right here, inspect your cap, make sure you don't have white buildup, sludge on the inside. That means you have a bad PCV valve most likely. So we're going to open it now, and we're going to go ahead, okay, and put it in. So let's go ahead, do that now. Okay, you can see, just taking it slowly. you need to make sure, guys, okay, that you drain the whole thing all the way. Okay, perfect. And we can leave it upside down for a little bit so it can leak all the way out. Make sure you don't overfill your car with too much oil, but you can always use just a little bit of oil, just switch it a little bit and get the extra out of it as well. Depending on the capacity of your engine, you may require even more. This one, okay, will be enough for ours now. So this is a life-saving material right here at Ceratec, guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from, but these two are probably some of the best additives that we use here at the shop. Amazing stuff, that's definitely worth the money in our opinion, guys, and they will pay themselves off in no time. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to fix N20 valve lifter noise, BMW N20 engine valve lifter noise. If you have any more questions, you want to see anything else specifically, you know the timing chains are a weak spot on those. We have a complete video how to replace timing chain. Will your timing chain fail? Because we had 2 of them that failed at 70,000 miles, guys. Check out all these videos, will be on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.